some chopped spinach for smoothies, just to add for some pretzel crisps, love some cheese. Also just got some quinoa, because again I want to make quinoa bowls. Got some harvest nuts. I don't know what to do with my hair. I actually tied it back, but फिर मैंने खोल दिया. It's looking boring. I look like a Japanese schoolgirl, but whatever. I'm gonna roll with it. Hi, in today's video मैं PR makeup haul करने वाली हूँ because honestly I don't know where my PR skincare is because I mostly use it and yeah, I honestly don't know where it is. And this is 2-3 months ka PR. I don't get a lot of PR, and recently I got so much of makeup. I don't get makeup very often. So let's begin this video with Swiss Beauty. मैंने कभी भी Swiss Beauty use नहीं किया, so this is my first time. I got a little note. इसमें 4 lipsticks थी, but I have only 2 left because I gave the other lipsticks to my mom. And honestly, I'm not gonna use this much makeup to myself. I am filming this video so that I can put it in the drawer so that my sisters can use it. If you want to see the swatches of this lipsticks, you can go and check out my Instagram because मैंने इसकी swatches upload की थी, उसकी picture थी. And the packaging is so nice. This one is Bare chocolate brown shade, Lust On. This is actually my favorite shade. I'm gonna go on to Blue Heaven now. God, it's so hot. I'm sorry अगर आपको इसी की sound आ रही है. I'm so sorry because I'm sweating and I cannot take this. मुझे काफ़ी नॉस्टैल्जिक फील हुआ था बिकॉज मैंने हमेशा से अपनी मदर को यूज़ करते हुए देखा है, लाइक ब्लू हेवन बहुत जब छोटे थे तब से, बिकॉज उसका सिंदूर वगैरह हमेशा से आता था. एंड दिस इज़ सो फ्रिकिंग अफोर्डेबल. आई न्यू कि ब्लू हेवन इज़ अफोर्डेबल, बट इट्स गुड. It's literally good. I'm not saying because I got a PR, but it is actually real good. मैंने सारे products honestly use नहीं किया. अब first thing first, this is a mascara. It is the Blue Heaven Lash Twist Curling Mascara. Super curl, thick lashes, quick dry, waterproof, no clumping, lightweight. Oof, that's a lot of claims right there. I literally have no eyelashes. As you can see, I'm literally a face of Asian girl because I don't have eyelashes. I used mascara, Smashbox mascara, so if you can see some eyelashes, that's because of that, because ऐसे normally आपको मेरी lashes है ही नहीं. This is how the mascara looks like. This is the wand right here. काफ़ी अच्छी है. I really like the clean one. Let me actually use it. For the price, I feel it's super good. It is for 125 rupees. That's a good deal, bro. And I got 2 lipsticks. I have one with me right now because the other one I gave it to my mom. This is the Blue Heaven Hyperstay Weightless Liquid Matte. This is also very good. Honestly, I don't like the shade on me because it's too light. I'm gonna probably give it to my sister. She has a lighter skin tone than me, so probably उसपे अच्छा लगेगा, but it washes me down. It is for 115 rupees. Oof. This is in the shade 11. This is the shade right here. Then I got a bunch of eyeliners: Sapphire Blue, Carbon Black, Pearly Purple, and Moonstone Brown. Let me show you one of them, how the packaging looks like. I am going to show you Pearly Purple. This is the color. I got 4 nail paints also. Let me go and grab it because मैंने कहीं और रखा. Hello, I'm back. मैंने ये पहले क्यों नहीं अपने पास रखा? I'm just so stupid. I have no battery. Oh! These flowers look very bright against this wall. Let me go and change it. This is too short. Never mind. I got 5 nail paints. Angel White 101, Brilliant Earth 805, Mint Green 152, it's Mulberry 302, Urban Grey 717. Come on, let me show you. You guys deserve it. What the hell? Moonstone Brown. This is kind of watery, to be honest. See the purple, it's kind of faded and patchy. I don't know where it went. Is it on me? You know what, this is black, so आप उसको क्या देखोगे? It's a Sapphire blue. This one is sapphire blue. Very pretty. Love the colors, पर काफी watery है, but you know what, you're paying 75 rupees for it. What are you expecting? Makeup removers, my favorite makeup removers ever. They sent me sample size. I got four of these, I think. I am the part of My Glam XO Beauty Creator, so that's why I get these stuff every month. Nail enamel 10 OG. It's in matte. I think it matte because this has a frosted glass. I actually love the packaging of My Glam. They are so underrated. They are so good with their packaging and everything. I love the packaging. Again, look at this. This looks like Fenty, to be honest. I have a Fenty liner. It is in the shade Trophy. Yeah, this is more like a brown with orange tones in it. This is from their Ultimate Long Stay Matte Lipstick collection. My Glam Wheelie eyeliner and Stylist different eyeliner and type of hole inside. में एक wheel है, so you can just and make a wing. I couldn't because मेरी दोनों आँखें different है. One is normal, this one is hooded, so it's very annoying. No matter what you do, मेरी ये eyeliner और ये eyeliner different रहेगा because this one is hooded and this is normal. So next up is My Glam Powder Magic powder eyeshadow stick and eyeliner. Oh, I remember this. I love this stuff. This is in the shade Aquamarine. This smells weird, but I love this. Their eyeshadow इस तरह के pencil form में आता है, but it is so good. It's not like intense. It gives a nice shimmer and color to it, and I love this shade. Glow Iridescent Brightening Essence infused with rosehip and vitamin elixir. This is actually skincare, but anyway, I'm gonna show it. This is how the bottle looks like. Ooh. Smells so good. My Glam Lit Satin Matte Lipstick in the shade, I don't know, like the Good Wife. I'm never gonna be a good wife anyway. Love this color. I love it. I love these kind of pinky nudes. Suits my skin tones. This one is the Good Wife. This is the lipstick Kissing Booth. Actually I have two of this because इससे पहले मुझे यही lipstick send की थी, but it was kind of broken, so उन्होंने दूसरी भेजी. Honestly a very good shade, but not for me. Next up is My Glam Wanderlust Chrome Matte Finish. Okay, matte finish है ये. Mykonos 06. I don't know what's the name is. So this is how the color looks like. My Glam Glow to Glamour 2-in-1 Fixing Shimmer Powder. Oh, I completely forgot about this. तो नीचे finishing powder है, ऊपर shimmer powder है. थोड़ा सा बाहर गिरा, but it's okay. It's very fine powder with a very fine shimmer particles in it. It's actually gold, as if you can see. मुझे लगा थोड़ा pinkish होने वाला because the powder looks pink. I don't know how I feel about the golden shade. It's good for your body. कभी कभी होता है ना for photo shoot and stuff. I also don't like the packaging. This is too tough to open. Where's the lid? Something is from Manish Malhotra collection, and this is a eyeshadow chalk. Like this stuff so much. Let me show you. मैंने इसको use किया हुआ है. हमेशा awkward जगह पे क्यों करती हूँ जो मुझे दिखाने में problem होगी. The chalk right here. I love it. बहुत हल्की shine है इसमें. I love it, but I don't like the packaging of this because as you can see on the डब्बा ये निकलता रहता है. This thing doesn't help and it gets on your hands, so it's very messy and you have to keep this box. An eye sparkle from their Lit collection. It's on my hand now. Anyway, I have a link for you guys. If you want to buy anything from My Glam, you can use my link and you can get up to 60% off. So good. They're all... Ooh, okay. Never mind. I'm actually liking it as a body glow, but not a lip sparkle thing. My Glam Clean Beauty Argan Oil BB Foundation. The shade is Birch. This is the I don't understand when brands put skincare in makeup. Like, leave it alone there. You don't need skincare in makeup. That's weird. I love their lit liquid matte lipstick. मेरे पास एक link थी. I don't know it's workable or not right now, but if you fill the survey and everything, you can get free lipstick, which is so good. I get this offer a lot, so if you want to get these type of offers, follow me on Instagram because I post a lot of stories about this MyGlam products and everything. This is in the shade Ghosted. I love the packaging of this. Again, so sleek, so nice. I love this shade though. This is, oh, again, what the hell? I hope you can see now. This one corner wala. MyGlam Jet Set Eyes, Kajal and eyeliner. This is how the pencil looks like. Ooh, काफी black है ये. This one. MyGlam Powder Magic Powder Eyeshadow Stick and Liner. Oh wow, काफी light shade है, but I like it. As you can see, बहुत कम, बहुत हल्का है, but it's okay. MyGlam Lit PH Lip Balm, pink. Another lip balm, Hickey. Ooh, nice name, but doesn't look like a hickey. Defined liquid eyeliner. एक साइड पे liquid eyeliner है, दूसरी साइड पे brow powder है, brown color है. Brown eyeliner and here's the brow thing. This is from their Pose collection. This is MyGlam Pose HD Duo highlighter. I think this one is the broken one. I have two of these, so confusion ho ja rahi hai. And this is the highlighter duo. This is bronzer or what? Okay, this is, I don't know if you can see the difference, but there is a difference. I think this line is inspired from Korea because it says K-play. I'm not into K-drama, but yeah, this is how the blush looks like. It's a highlighter. Okay, melon highlighter. This is kind of a golden highlighter. Actually, this box has skincare, but it's not cool. Okay, I have one MyGlam thing in this. This is iridescent brightening moisturizing cream, rosehip oil vitamin elixir. Okay, now I know why I have this in this box, because इसमें काफी skincare रखा है. Okay, look at this packaging. What the hell? What the hell? Oh my god. I don't know about the cream and stuff. I haven't used it, but smells pretty good. So yeah, I'm thirsty. Let me drink some water. If you want to know about all these things, so you can follow me on Instagram because I'm super duper active there. Not really, I'm not that active. Please subscribe to my channel because I'm literally begging you to do so. That's it. I don't know how to do outro.
Down, yeah. I've been feeling so